how you see the rapidity of change that we've seen. How do you see it in the next few years? That's one part. What are the what are the areas that will impact the most? How will it change? What will be the changing dynamics? Second is in your specific area of work. What is your idea on that?
So tomorrow is full of new promises and possibilities. Seeds of tomorrow are today. So a lot of technological partners are thinking in that direction, and we Mahindra Comviva are also thinking in those directions, that what will happen when these kind of connections, 40 billion connections, come to the world. And to me, this will be a game changer, and it will throw a lot of challenges to the suppliers, to the vendors, and only the consumer would be the person who will define and direct that what he needs. So it's a game changer for me. But for new innovative platforms which are coming up, they need experts to come, develop those platforms, deliver those platforms, maintain those platforms, and make their customer experience beautiful and happy for the consumers. And this is what we are doing. Within Mahindra Comviva, we are very focused on two things. One is that the business what we do, we are fully committed to that business, and then we are ready for the future.
The challenges that the organization needs to overcome, like for example, you gave this example of how we have to deeply understand what the consumer does to be able to deliver or cater the right solution for them. Are there any hurdles or anything that you need to, as an organization, as a team, you need to overcome, or maybe get talent from outside or something to do a better job at something, to be better able to address these needs?
Yeah, I see some challenges there. I think we all are mindful of that, and we all are working in that direction to overcome that. Couple of them is the nimbleness which is needed in order to understand the what is next, or what is future, or what is for tomorrow, what will be the applications that will kick in and what will not kick in. I see in the market that it's a relevant data that if 1,000 applications are made, out of them only 2% of them get successful or becomes a killer application, rest all die their death. So we need to be very careful in understanding which are the services, which are the products, which are the portfolios which will grow and bring revenue for the company, and which will not, so that we kill those which are not growing up and channelize our energy in that direction. This requires a very deep and fine understanding of the business and the way world is moving towards the next stage, which is whatever you say, e-financing, e-mobile, or wallet payment, and all these new things, machine to machine, which is coming up. So a deep sense of understanding of the business is very important, where we feel that we can do better. We need more experts who understand this area and ensure that we are ready for those applications, and to understand and encash that. And again, I will repeat the same thing. Consumer experience or the customer experience will be the key, because mobile number portability will allow you to move from A network to B network any day if you are unhappy, and any operator will not like it. So if you are able to measure that and make your consumer happy with the needs he has in the future, I think you are there.